Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I finished my work and it's still quite early. So I decided to come to the museum. And I parked my car in the museum. And then I was too exhausted. I finished my day. I sit on the museum chair and almost fall asleep. Then I was thinking I should not stay inside and sleep away this beautiful time. So I come out. There is a garden. Now let's take a look. You will not look at me, you will look at the beauty. So now let's have a walk here. I hope you can hear me. Maybe I should tweak the microphone down a little bit. Okay, just like that. I think the microphone is smart enough. So I am done with my day, and today is my heaviest day. A lot of teachers understand there are days you are just so exhausted, 6 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, you do not even have time to go to the restroom. Yeah, that's a teacher's life. Anyway, I am exhausted. It's exciting, but it's very physically and mentally draining because you have to pay attention to the students, right? And there are just too many things happening. You do not look, then something creative, more than creative, happens. So I actually hesitate and just doubt about my life. Don't know, just suddenly have such a feeling, a thought. So I came to the museum, and this is in Stanford Museum, and I came to the Anderson art collection. It's modern art. I always have hard time to understand modern art. I do not hide my innocence or ignorance about it. I have very hard time to understand it. And there was one particular piece actually touched me. It's called Life is a full-time job. I am. So I was sitting there. In front of it, there was a chair, a soft sofa chair, and in the other places are the wood chair, wood bench or something, and that is a soft sofa chair. So I was sitting there and totally exhausted, almost falling asleep, just thinking life is a full-time job. You do not have, I actually didn't think that deep. You live your life well, and that is already enough. And if we treat our life with the attention, with the respect as a job, as a full-time job, then what? I do not know. Then maybe we are more intentional right? And let me first test if this sound is okay. Okay, that's about it. And I will keep on with my day. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.